we are going to move on to a new lesson, Chapter 6, Combustion and Flame. Daily life, we use different kinds of fuel for various purposes. At home, in industry, and for our vehicles. When you think of some of the fuels that need your truck, yours will contain fuels like powder cakes, wood, charcoal, coal, petrol, diesel, LPG gas. Now, what is the difference between lighting a candle and burning it and burning of coal? We all know that candle burns with a flame, and what you don't know is that coal glows with red flame. It does not burn with a flame, but it just glows to release out heat. So, in this lesson, we are going to study about the different materials that produce heat by combustion and also the different types of fuels and water flame is. Let us look into what are there in store for you in this chapter. First is we will get introduced to combustible substance. A substance which burns in air to produce heat and light is called as a combustible substance. Let us look at the examples. We have coal, charcoal, kerosene, petrol, diesel, LPG, and CNG. What is combustion? The chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to produce heat is called as combustion. The substance which undergoes combustion is called a combustible substance. It is also called as a fuel. Sometimes light is also produced during combustion either as a flame or a glow. Air is necessary for combustion. These are the requirements for burning to take place. What are the characteristics of a good fuel? A good fuel should have good calorific value, that means heat producing capacity. It should be a clean fuel causing less pollution. It should be easy to store and transport. It should have ideal ignition temperature. It should be easily available. It should be low in cost. These are the main characteristics of a good fuel. Let us perform an activity to show that air is necessary for burning. We have to fix a candle on a table. Put a glass chimney over it. You have to use a glass chimney, then you can look at what is happening inside. Rest the glass chimney on a few wooden blocks in such a way that air enters into the chimney through down part of the chimney and air is also entering through the top of the chimney. Observe the flame. The flame burns very well because there is circulation of air throughout. Now remove the blocks and let the chimney rest on the table. You will see that the flame is put off after some time because there is no air circulation. Now put a glass plate over the chimney after lighting the flame again. You will observe that the flame is put off again. So in cases B and C, in both conditions the flame will be put off. When you remove the air circulation from bottom or you remove the air circulation from top, both cases the flame is put off. This activity shows that air is necessary for burning. Let us look at a new term. What is ignition temperature? The temperature at which a substance catches fire and burns is called as ignition temperature. A substance will not catch fire if its temperature is lower than the ignition temperature. Different substances have got different ignition temperature. The ignition temperature of kerosene is less than the ignition temperature of wood. Substances that have very low ignition temperature can catch fire very easily. and they are called as inflammable substances. You should be very careful with substances like which are inflammable. Example, petrol, alcohol, LPG, CNG, etc. So, what is the ideal fuel is should have an ideal ignition temperature. It should catch fire when you ignite it. It should also not be explosive like hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is highly inflammable. You cannot have controlled combustion with hydrogen gas. So these are the terms which you should learn in today's session. Thank you.